it's already shedding, you know? Yeah. Oh, y'all, are you dying?
No.
How much was this? Now, Sarah Sherman short.
It's your primitive when yet.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so first off, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love you showed on my bedroom makeover video. Y'all showed out, okay?
Man, I'm a star. I'm a god to these people. Come check this out.
Love you, mean it. But now, it's back to shopping. As you all know, summer has left the chat.
Bye. Bye, Lance.
I'm not a summer girl anyway, so I really don't care. Fall is officially here! I am so excited. This is my favorite season. Now, as you guys know, well, if you didn't, I'm about to tell you, I don't do the typical or traditional fall decor. I don't really bring in the pumpkins and the scarecrows and it's just not my thing because I'm not cleaning it up, right? But I do bring in more textures and accessories that bring layers and warmth to my space. So that's what this video is about today. I found some goodies at H&M Home, Homegoods, and Amazon. So excited to share, so let's hop in. So yes, I literally just refreshed my bedroom, but I'm already adding more pieces to add more layers and warmth for the upcoming season. So as you guys saw, I have a lot of that mocha brown throughout my bedroom. It's just that the color is just so good. So when I saw this blanket on H&M Home's website,
Man, I got to have that one. I got to have that one. Pete.
snatched it. Now I do have a similar blanket to this, which is this cream one you see right here on the side of my couch. So this was a no-brainer. I already love the style and the color. Like I said, duh. There's just something about a fluffy blanket draped over the arm of a sofa or on the foot of the bed that just says, relax, cozy up. You know? Now what I will say about this blanket is it changes colors, okay? When I first opened the package, I was like, oh, this is more green than I thought. But then I put it on my benches in my bedroom, and as I was walking past it throughout the day and night, it was changing colors. So like, depending on how the light hit, it had more of those olive tones, and then if the light hit it a different way, it was more brownish and even had more of a purple to it. So it actually gives the same color payoff as my rug that's in my bedroom, which I told you guys kind of shifts colors throughout the day. So it was perfect. It is like, I'm probably gonna use this for more decorative use. I'm not gonna lie, because it's already shedding a little bit, you know? Yeah, but that's to be expected because this one sheds like that. I think it's just a style of blanket. But I love the fringe detail here on the bottom. It's lighter than the rest of the body of the blanket, but it just adds like an extra layer of dimension, if you will. This was $37, but I had a coupon, so I got it for around $29. Love it. Y'all, ever since I switched to colored bedding, I cannot get away from it. I love the way it looks. I love the little bit of drama that it brings to my space without me having to overcommit to a color. Yeah, that butter yellow duvet in my bedroom right now, oh, it's like so good. It was just what I needed. But I actually bought a different duvet just in case I want to switch things up to something that's a little less bright as we get deeper into fall. Y'all, are you dying?
No.
Like, this is so perfect, and it's actually gonna go really well with the wall art that I created for my bedroom. Those terracotta and clay tones, oh my gosh, mixed in with this, so good. The shade of this is so rich but still muted, and up against the brown that I have in there, like, hello! Love that. So I got this from H&M Home as well. It was originally $111 for the king size, but again, I had that coupon, so I got it for around $88. Amazing deal. And it's made of muslin. Not really sure how to pronounce it, but I'll put it on the screen. It's not too heavy where you'll be sweating in your sleep, but it's not too lightweight where it won't be doing anything either. You know what I'm saying? So it's perfect for fall, especially here in the South, because you guys know if you live in the South that fall sometimes means summer, spring, and a little bit of winter. Like, very bipolar, okay? So this is perfect. And again, the texture of this, it's made to look kind of crinkly, to have kind of a grid pattern, if you will. So I love that. Again, texture, warmth for the fall is my go-to, so I just had to get this. Now, of course, change in seasons means change in the botany of it all, right? Cooler weather will bring less flowers and more bare trees outside, and inside the home you'll probably see more branches styled and wood by the fire. So this little guy was perfect.
Look at, you been chewing on this shit before you came here?
Now I do think it's time for me to switch things up here in my filming room, especially on my bookshelves. I want it to be a little bit more moody. I want it to be a little bit more moody, okay? So I'm on the hunt for pieces that bring earthiness, depth, dimension, all the things like him. I don't know about y'all, but when I see rustic spaces and even spaces that are more wabi-sabi, it gives cozy. I really love the primitive and reclaimed wood in those kind of spaces. It's usually very dominant, and this really gives someone broke off a piece, put it on the stand, and gave it to me. It was only $16.99 at Homegoods. I do think this is petrified wood because I had a piece that was kind of, it had this finish on the back, but I just love the front, which is what I'm going to be displaying. And it's kind of smoked too. It's not like a true brown. It's kind of a grayish dull color, which I love. It's just so amazing. Hopefully I can find some more. Bouclé, Bouclé, Bouclé. Still love her. Spherical pillows, love them. And charcoal gray, love, love, love. Boom, looky, looky. I found this at Homegoods and could not resist. There's something about a spherical pillow that really brings fun to a space without it feeling too childish, if that makes sense. I just love how they look on beds, benches, sofas, you name it. Now Sarah Sherman short Sarah Sherman Samuel actually has some Bouclé ball pillows in her collection with Lulu in Georgia. Those are running you around $64. Not really sure the size. So when I saw the price of this, how much was this? This was only $15, y'all. Like, killer deal. So I had to get it. Like I said, it's Bouclé, so you get that texture. And like I told you guys, I'm trying to make this space a little bit more moody. So I thought this would be amazing to just kind of sit here in the corner on my sofa. I still have to find some more pieces from bookshelves to bring it all together, but it's gonna be so good. And of course, this would not be a fall haul without candles. So here you go, okay? I got this box of 12 pleated candles on Amazon, and I must say these are some of the cutest candles I've ever seen, okay? I actually use these in my bedroom. As you can see, they're quite tall. I want to say they're almost a foot, maybe like 11 3/4 or something like that. I'll put it up on the screen. I had to cut these down because I wanted it to go on my nightstand, but I didn't want it to burn up my lampshade. So I cut it down and I actually put it into this candle holder that I got from Zara Home. The cutest thing, right? I love the little pleated detail that these candles have. I'll show you guys a close-up on the side, but it just adds that extra layer of just goodness. And the shade, light it and you double the warmth. Amazing. So like I said, I got a box of 12 and it was only like $22, y'all. Amazing price. There'll be a link for you down below. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I'm so excited that summer is out and fall is in. I'm bringing you more content. Again, thank you for all the love on my bedroom makeover video. I'm gonna try to bring you guys more of that, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.